This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. Yesterday in the stock index futures we did close marginally lower. This due to comments from James Bullard of the Fed indicating that the Fed could raise interest rates in the first quarter of next year. This compares to the consensus view that there could be a rate increase at their July meeting of next year. A little follow-through weakness this morning, and yet the volume appears to be light on this initial pressure. I think from here we can see a move back to higher on the day. Still thinking that the main trend is higher for all of the indices. Over in the currencies, seeing the dollar falling to a 5-week low. This due to recent weakness in U.S. interest rates. Also, we had the pound coming under a little pressure this morning, this after a report showing home price increases in the UK increasing at the slowest rate in 5 months. Also some gains in the yen. This after a report showing inflation in Japan increasing at a rate of 3.4%. It's the largest increase since 1982, but I'm inclined to believe that inflation increases in Japan will probably not persist at this rate. However, this does cause some traders to think that the Bank of Japan may hold off on more accommodation. My feeling is that sooner or later the Bank of Japan will have to add more reserves to their banking system. So our feeling is the same, that the long-term trend on the yen is lower, still looking for higher prices for the British pound, as the UK economy remains the strongest in Europe, and also still looking for lower in the dollar index longer term. Over in the interest rate markets, in spite of Bullard's comments about the Fed possibly raising interest rates in the first quarter of next year, we had the yield on the 10-year note falling to a 3-week low yesterday. Longer term, our view has not changed. We believe that we are in a bull market, and this is a trend that will likely persist for quite some time, possibly through the end of this year. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.